What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. Yes, looking at the 2016 Vision. And as we start getting closer to the release date, GCPS did ask me to do a couple, well, I'm just going to do one really big video showing all of his buses, all of his Visions, rather. And all of them are pretty much the same. But he did fix some things that I had originally seen problems with. So first off, he did fix these headlights. They were a little too big in proportion with the grille, so he made them more in proportion. So that's great. Let's see, what else did he do? I know he messed around with some sounds. He also got new tires, if I'm not mistaken. Nothing much on the interior has changed. I don't think anything on the interior has changed for that fact. And I actually, the last Vision video I put up, I forgot to regen my cache. Or well, I just didn't in general. But there were apparently 4 different buses in the update that he gave me, and I made that video just for that update, but it just showed me the original stuff. So I will show you all the different models that he has. So yeah, this is the yellow roof, yellow roof, black rub rail. So that's this. You know what? We'll go ahead and turn it on and drive it a little bit, just so you guys can see the sounds. What am I saying? So you can hear the sounds. So okay, so okay, now you're gonna notice that whenever I I'm gonna drive a little bit, you'll know what it is. And you can also see that he didn't really change the reflectiveness. He said that he did, but I think he actually made it more reflective. So you can see, like, I don't know what these are. They look like plates almost. Okay, so I think you guys heard that beeping. Now, I'll do it again just real quick, just in case you didn't. Now, that's actually not a beeping. That's actually part of the air brakes, which I think is actually pretty cool. I like the fact that he included them. I don't think they were completely necessary, but I still think it's a cool addition, but it might get annoying after a little while, but who knows. Just drive it a little bit more. Alright, so I still think that this bus has a really good turning radius also, just to mention that. He thinks it doesn't, but I think it's probably the best in game, which is saying something. Okay, so let's go spawn another bus. Okay. This is white roof with black rubber rails. Personally, my favorite one. So. I really like the look of this one. So. Okay. Okay, time to spawn the next one. Okay, this one is yellow roof, yellow rubber rails. And then we have, let's see, I want to go, there it goes, white roof and yellow rubber rails. And then we also have these. So what he did with these is he put a strobe on these. So I'll spawn white roof, yellow rubber rails. And if you look, I don't really like this one a whole lot. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but let's see. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it very well. Let's see if I can get it. I don't know if you guys can see very well. I mean, it's there, but oh, well, that didn't help it at all. So there's that. Go ahead and spawn a different version. This is the blackout version. Okay, let's see. I think I've covered all of the different combos. I don't think I did. Yeah, I might have. I might have done this one, but yep, I already did this one. This one just has a strobe, so oh well, that is pretty much it. So you guys get the general idea of what he did. So let me know what combination is your favorite. Like I said, I personally really like the white and black one, since that is what our district has chosen for our visions. Nope. So, oh, okay. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and yeah, let's just end this video. So make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, over here. I don't know where they put it, I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or you're not going to be able to start like this bus. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching.